I'm actually going to break the sound barrier. It's unbelievable. What I need you folks to do is move out in front over here, and if you got really sensitive ears, I suggest you plug them. Kawasaki horsepower, guys.
Hell yeah. Wow, that's making some noise, huh, Glenn?
That's gnarly.
Wow. So unique. Such a unique sound it has, too.
Yeah, did you hear break the sound barrier out there?
Yeah, I think I did. I think my ears still ringing.
Yeah. I told you to plug them.
There you go. Thank you so much, Glenn. We appreciate it.
Enjoy yourself a bike week, everyone.
So there it is, guys. Kawasaki.
You can sit on and take pictures if you like. Just make sure the pipe's hot, as you probably already know. And I'm taking the key out.
No, don't take it out.
Exactly. MSRP on this bike.
Wow.
$55,000. How's it feel?
It feels great.
There you go.